Hello friends, welcome to my another video on my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. Thank you very much friends for your supports and for your comments. Well friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So friends, today I have got for repair. This is from the DVA technology T4 digital vertical array. This is a three-way active line array system. It's called DVA T4. This T4 is equipped with unique digital power amps that provide you a total of 420 watt RMS. This is a class D DG Pro amplifier. Okay guys, so we'll just check it out what's the issue in this. So we'll put it on and check what's the issue. I will connect it to the power. So put the power on now. So I'll put it on, lights are on now. So it's ready. It's ready means it is not even detecting the input signal also. See, I will give the input signal. This is my input signal. See, it's not detecting input signal, and this mute protect yellow LED is flashing frequently after a few seconds. We can see it, and even I have applied input signal, but that is also not detecting. So guys, I'll just show you. See, this is the, you can see mute protect LED blinking after a few seconds. So this is the problem in this amplifier. So see, you can see the blinking. See, so this is, it should not be like that actually. And I have applied the input signal. When I applied the input signal, I should get signal in light, green light LED should be on. So let's check out what's the issue in this. So guys, we'll put it off this first. So we'll need to turn, because we need to check some voltages. So for that we need to turn it backside. So we'll put it off first. So guys, I will put it on again. We'll check some voltages. I put it on. So this is ground. This is plus 30, plus 14. It's okay. Minus 30, minus 30, minus 14, 14.9. So our voltage is perfect, friends. So now we'll check some input voltage, some other voltages. On the IC also we'll check some voltage. See, on the IC also coming voltage, which is, but there is no output. So there is something problem with the IC only. We'll check some voltage on the input board. This is the input board. We'll check some voltage on the input board, my friend. This is the input board. We'll check some voltage over here. This is the input board, my friend. We'll check some voltage over here. Here's the input board. So we'll check some voltage over here. So here we'll check some voltage. So friends, we'll check some voltages on the input board. We'll put it on. So it's on now. This is the regulator of 5 volt. Input is 14. See, 5 volt is coming. This is output 5 is going to this CPU IC on the main processor IC. Here, this is the one. We'll check some voltage over here. Okay. See, 5 volt is coming here. So 5 volt is coming here to the processor IC, main microchip IC. Okay guys, and also see 2.7 also volt is coming to the microchip IC. This is the main CPU IC. So here the voltage is coming perfectly. See, 5 volt is coming to this IC. So now we'll check some other voltages. See, it's okay. Here also it's coming perfect. So 5 volt is coming to the all IC. So we'll check some other voltage IC also for operational IC, operational amplifier IC. Minus 14, plus 14. Minus 14, plus 14. See, voltage is perfect. So overall, if you see, voltage are coming perfectly in input board, 13 volt. Okay, and here this is the DSP IC. We'll check some voltage on the DSP IC also. See, 5 volt coming to the DSP IC also. See, sorry, 3.2 volt also coming on the DSP IC. 2.5, 3.2. This means our IC is also good. It's not getting hot also. Perfect. So overall, you can see, my friend, voltage is coming perfectly. Minus 14, minus 4.9 volt. It's okay, perfect. So friends, overall, if you see, our input boards looks okay. Anyway, we'll concentrate on the we'll check some ohm testing. We'll take some ohmic test on the main IC. This is main audio IC, that is T82022. It's 3-path, our Indian man originated IC. So we'll check on that. So we'll put it off first. So now we'll turn this one. So guys, we'll take it out, this one. So now what we'll do, we'll take it out the amplifier board. This is the amplifier board, this is the power supply board, and this is the input board. So we'll take this out with the input board. So this will come out completely. So friends, before taking out completely, we'll check some diodes over here. So we'll check the condition of the diode. We'll keep on the diode range. Okay guys, so here some diodes are there in amplifier. This is the amplifier board. So just take it out, this power supply connector. This connector is going to the speakers, high LF, HF and subwoofer. Says no shorting. It's okay. Is okay. Okay. Say okay. So there is no shorting. So if there is a shorting, I will get the reading of 0 ohms over here. So it's okay. It's also okay. It's okay. Okay. It's okay. Okay. So friends, there is no any shorting in the amplifier board. There is no any shorting in the amplifier board. So I think we need to replace the IC only, because amplifier board is having some problem with the with this two ICs we need to replace. So we'll just take this out. We'll just take this out now. So guys, we'll take this out. So keep this aside. This is power supply. So this is input board. This is the connector is there. You can take this out. See, this comes out. So now here, this is the one I'm talking about. This is the main IC T3-path TA2022. This is also same IC. This is the audio amplifier IC. So friends, this is 3-path, as I said earlier. This is a TA2022 stereo 90 watt 4 ohms class T. Actually he name on the 3-path T, class T digital audio amplifier driver IC using digital power processing. So now what we will do, we'll replace this two IC with the new one. So guys, this is the IC. So we'll replace this two IC with the new one. I got the new IC with me. I'll just show you. I got the new IC with me. Same number. See, same. 3-path TA2022 original. This is the original IC. So friends, so we'll replace this both. This is 32 pins. It's quite hard to remove it out, this IC. So we need to be very careful during desoldering and soldering time. So this is the very original IC. So we'll replace this 3-path IC with the new one. Just keep watching my video, guys. So guys, this we have already removed. So now we'll fix new IC. We'll just desolder this. We'll take it out. It's very quite hard to remove this one because it's 32 pins. So it's quite hard to remove. But I will try my best to desolder this IC without damaging the PCB or track. Anyway, we'll try our best. So friends, it took me a long time to remove this two IC TA2022. This is audio amplifier IC. See, I have already removed this one. It took me a long time because I had to take care of track damage, all those things. But it's good that nothing happened. Anyway friends, this is the faulty one. This is the old IC. So as you know, I got the new IC with me also. This is the new IC. You can see same TA2022 Korea. It's made in Korea. It is written Korea on that. Okay guys, so now we'll fix this one. So guys, we have already fixed new IC, but just need to do some soldering. So as you know that we have already replaced these two faulty TA2022. This was the one. This is the faulty one. So we already fixed the new one in this. So guys, now we'll just solder this one. So this will everything. So guys, we have soldered all point. So this is the one. Now we'll fix this two capacitor which we have removed it out from here. Then finally we'll fix it back. So guys, so friends, we have already replaced the IC. So now we'll fix it back. As you know, we have already replaced the faulty one. So now we'll fix this back and check the condition. Friends, we have already connected everything. So now we'll check. So we have replaced two IC. So we'll check now by applying power. So we'll apply the power first. Okay, I put it on. It's on. Mid product light comes, gone. Ready light come. So it means mid product light is gone, my friend. See, only ready light come. Before this mute protect light, it was blinking after few seconds. Flashing was going on before. So after replacing the two IC, so now this light is gone. Mute protect light. So ready light. So when we give signal, so the signal light will get on and we will get the output also. So it means that the problem was the two IC which we replace. So now mute protect LED not flashing now. So it means that our problem is solved now. So now we'll check it out. So guys, we'll give the input signal. See, light is blinking, input signal light. See, so it means our output is working fine now. Okay, so we'll check now again. We'll connect the speaker. This is the speaker line. So this is working now. This is highs. This is mid. This is highs. This is mid. This is woofer. So friend, it is working. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon in next video. Bye bye.